Here is how you can add a ChatGPT shortcut to the Apple Watch. Let's talk about it. If this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So essentially what you have to do is to add the shortcut at first on the paired iPhone using the Shortcuts app, and those shortcuts which are supported on the watch are going to appear there. So there is this shortcut which, as you can see, shows up on my Apple Watch already. It's called Ask ChatGPT, and when I check it out and show you which actions are there, it's basically just ask the stuff, copy the response and speak it to you, right? So this is something which is gonna work on the Apple Watch, so I can run it from the wrist, and it's basically gonna trigger the same thing. So I can ask something, right, and it's gonna give me the answer. So that's something which you can do if you want to. You can just copy all of the things which you can see on the screen and literally set up the shortcut. And yeah, that's how you are going to be able to basically do it. You know what? I can actually put the link to that shortcut below in the comments. And essentially, you can add it to your iPhone, and it should also make it appear on the watch, just like in my case. And then you should be able to use it. Other than that, on the Apple Watch Ultra, where we have the action button, we can also choose that the shortcut, that the action button is going to trigger a shortcut, and the one that we are going to pick is going to be the ChatGPT one. So you are just one click away. So I hope it makes sense. I hope it's going to work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one.